Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 13th August. Let's start. In the year of 1642, on this day, the peak of the south pole of Mars was discovered by the Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens. In the year of 1784, on this day, Pitt's India Bill was introduced in the British Parliament for administrative reforms in India. In the year of 1795, on this day, Indian warrior queen Ahilyabai Holkar passed away. Rajmata Ahilyabai Holkar was a strong woman and the queen of the kingdom of Malwa in Indore. In the year of 1814, on this day, Britain and Holland signed an agreement to end the slave trade. In the year of 1848, on this day, Ramesh Chandra Datta, a famous writer of English and Bengali language, the originator of the ideology of outflow of money, and the great educationist, was born. Datta is considered a national leader of the pre-Gandhi era and was a contemporary of Dadabhai Nauroji and Justice Ranade. In the year of 1892, on this day, the American newspaper Afro-American was published in Baltimore. In the year of 1898, on this day, American forces led by George Dewey captured the capital of the Philippines, Manila. In the year of 1902, on this day, England beat Australia by 1 wicket to register the famous victory at the Oval. In the year of 1910, on this day, the mother of the modern nursing movement, Florence Nightingale, passed away. She is also known as the Lady with the Lamp. In the year of 1913, on this day, stainless steel was invented by Harry Bradley of Sheffield, England. In the year of 1936, on this day, Madam Bhikaji Kama, the famous Indian woman revolutionary, passed away. In the year of 1951, on this day, Hindustan Trainer 2, the first aircraft manufactured in India, made its first flight. In the year of 1956, on this day, the National Highways Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha. In the year of 1960, on this day, Africa became independent from French occupation. In the year of 1993, on this day, a peace agreement was signed between Israel and Palestine in Washington. In the year of 1993, on this day, 114 people were killed when a hotel collapsed in Nakhon Ratchasima, Thailand. In the year of 1994, on this day, a historic agreement on nuclear disarmament was signed between the US and North Korea in Geneva. In the year of 1999, on this day, author Taslima Nasreen's new book My Vela, My Bengali Girlhood was banned by the Bangladesh government. In the year of 2008, on this day, Tata Steel, the world's leading steel company, entered into an agreement with the two major companies in Vietnam to jointly build a steel complex there. In the year of 2008, on this day, India successfully test-fired the multi-barrel rocket launcher MBRL weapon system Pinaka. In the year of 2018, on this day, Somnath Chatterjee, the first Bengali Speaker of the Lok Sabha and one of the prominent leaders of the Communist Party of India, passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, PM Narendra Modi launched Transparent Taxation, Earning the Honest platform, which offers faceless appeal, faceless assessment, and taxpayers charter. The faceless assessment and taxpayers charter features are available with immediate effect. In the year of 2020, on this day, a joint team of senior Air India officials, security officials, and senior government officials left for the United States to accept delivery of the Special Additional Section Flight or VVIP aircraft Air India One. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sri D.V. Sadanand Gowda, announced the setting up of Price Monitoring and Processing Unit in Karnataka. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.